How to create passcode in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now, you must enter the PIN first. So here, I'm entering the PIN. At last, tap on next. So we are in the settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can customize and find different options. So slowly scroll down. Here, there is a section of create passcode. Simply tap on create passcode. Here, enter the code that you want to enable from later on. So make sure it's something that you remember. At last, hit on confirm. Now we can simply go back and you're all set to go. So the passcode has been enabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.